everybody, what's up? It's Adventure Baby, and today I'm going to be doing some kayak fishing up at the local state park that's just outside of the city limits of my hometown. I'm on vacation right now, and my vacation time is slowly coming to an end. So I went out the other day and did some kayak fishing, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna come out again one more time, and I figured, why not bring you guys around for the ride? It's super fun, a little cumbersome. I'm a little bit worried about taking my camera out there, so we'll see. That's gonna be a little tricky. I might not be able to film everything, but I'm gonna try. I should also mention that this place is like empty. Look, I got one car that's out there parked right now. There's nobody here. It's super hot here. It's in the 90s, so gotta stay hydrated on, you know, energy drinks. I want to get past all this seaweed over here. My butt is burning in this kayak right now. Ah! Absolutely burning. Burning butt. But as soon as I get out a little bit more, I'll be able to adjust my camera and stuff. But I need to put the plastic over my camera so it doesn't get wet. My butt is absolutely on fire right now. I should have put some water in here. Okay, so I'm kind of beaching right now because I had to get set up and trying to move everything around in a way that like makes sense. It's really hard to maneuver the camera, my shoes, the life vest, the rod. So I'm trying to figure out a way to make everything work, and it's a little difficult. I'm literally holding the camera like with my feet right now, and that might just be the best that I can do with what I have for the time being, but I'm gonna push off. I did beach a little bit over here, which technically you're not allowed to do in this park. But I don't care, because who's going to stop me? You're also not allowed to take your life vest off. And I'm not doing that either. So I got to get out of this little tunnel, though. Let's get out of here and go find a spot to go fishing, because I know there's some great panfish out here. See very well because of this bag that I have over this camera, but oh look, a little butterfly. I don't know if I caught that, but anyway, I'm gonna try and fish over here in this spot, and the wind is pretty choppy today, I guess. So I have a feeling my little kayak is gonna get pushed around a lot. So I'm gonna try and see what I can film. But I don't like the way how I'm getting pushed over so quickly. So we'll see what I can do. I'm just getting pushed over so fast, so quickly. Do not want to be this far over. This wind is just blowing the wrong way for me. See if I can scoot out a little bit more. Some very old worm got left out on this hook yesterday or the other day. Oh, the wind is crazy today. There's so much to hold on to and maneuver. So, panfish really love waxies. Bluegill really love waxies. I've learned that. They could care less about night crawlers. That does not interest bluegill at all, for whatever strange reason. So, I think I'm gonna cast out this way so I can avoid getting stuck in the lily pads. You can hear the bullfrogs. Alright, well, I don't like this spot. It's really windy. The wind's just pushing me over. So I'm gonna try and find a different spot and we'll see what we can do. Oh, here's the guy. I'll show you guys the guy. He's parasailing or surfing or whatever the heck that's called. Well, that took me, what is it? My watch says about 25 minutes to paddle all the way over from one side of the lake to this side of the lake, which is, as you can see, much calmer, much stiller, which is what I want because it was awful trying to paddle against the wind getting here. But as you can tell, the water is stiff here. Still here. The water is still here. And it's just really calm. And yeah, let's go fishing. I don't have to feel like I'm gonna drop my camera or anything. It's quiet over here. The water's a lot stiller. It was really hard. It was really hard rowing into the wind. That was kicking my butt. Ooh, there's a fish over there. All right, well, let's get into it, shall we? Let's see if they are little bait snatchers. I'm almost out of wax worms. I have some dead ones in here. I might be out of wax worms. That might have been my last one from earlier. I think they hear me. I think they know I'm here. Well, I think I'm about out of wax worms, which means I have to switch to my night crawlers. And I am not a big night crawler fan. Reason being, I feel like the fish just always steal your bait. So if somebody has any tips or tricks on how to fish with night crawlers properly, let me know, because I would like to know. man, this is super hard to maneuver. It's calmer over here, but the water is still working against me with the wind. Getting pushed so much out here. So I moved to a new spot. I was over there, but I kept getting pushed around a lot. The water's a little more still over here, so I'm gonna try this spot and see if this is any better. I think this is more of a bass area than a sunfish area. Because I keep seeing and looking at them splash up on top of the water. I do have lures, but I've never bassed for fish before. Like, I've never fished for bass before. So, I don't know. I feel like that's like uncharted territory for me. But I'm gonna cast out a couple times. If nothing bites here, I'm gonna change out for my night crawlers and see if that doesn't give me anything better. I still have bait, but ain't nothing biting out here. I thought this was gonna be a good spot, but maybe it's not a good spot. I'm going to move out. I can barely get a nibble. And the funny thing is the fish are jumping all around, like close to my boat, but they're not taking any of my bait. So I'm gonna head out and go to the next spot. See, they're right there. Oh, see it? They're playing with me. I swear. What did I do? I think there's a lot of bass out here, and I just don't think I have the experience or the knowledge for that yet. I really am used to panfish. I don't know. I guess I could try and take my bobber off, but I think I'm just gonna go to a new spot and try again somewhere else. I came here Sunday last week and I caught like 10 fish. And they were all panfish. They were all bluegill. I'm not having any luck over here. I think this is where all the bass are at, because that's what's jumping up. There's a lot of fish jumping up, but they just don't want my bait. So I'm gonna head to a new spot and go all the way back down over that way. It's a pretty day out though. You can't go wrong with that. Luckily, since it was so hard for me to paddle out this way, the current is going with me and not against me, so it should be better from here on out, because I'm probably not going to come back over this way for the rest of the day. It looks like that other boat out there. I don't know if you can see them. It looks like that boat out there. They've been there for a while, so maybe they're having more luck. But if anybody knows how to bass fish, let me know. Because I don't know. I don't really feel like taking the hook off and putting the lure on. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being lazy. Maybe I'll try it later. I mean, I could do it. It's not like seems like it's that crazy hard. It's just, I just don't want my bait. I don't want my bait. I haven't taken anything. So, Oh my god. I just saw an osprey. He was really close to me. Well, I don't know what to do. I have casted and casted and casted, and I took my bobber off and just nothing. I'm not getting any bites, no knocks, no nothing. I'm not having any luck today, which is disappointing. Last time I came here, the fish were biting everywhere. I was having a really good day. Not today, though. I don't know. I don't know if I should call it quits soon. I don't know. I'm not having any luck, though. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits with the fishing. I'm not having any luck at all out here. I mean, I've been out here for, let's see, what time is it? It is 6:18. I've been out here for probably about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours. And the fish, they're not biting today. I'm getting ready to tie down my fishing pole, and I think I'm gonna put all my stuff up, and I think what I'm gonna do is just turn this into an exercise. I think I'm just gonna kayak around the lake and just try and turn this not so good fishing experience into something beneficial to my health, I guess. Pretty disappointing that, I couldn't get anything today, but I've tried and I haven't had a single fish. I've barely had anything bite. I've had a few nibbles. I think I've had my bait stolen once or twice. But I'm not having any luck out here. So I think I'm gonna do some kayaking, record an exercise on my watch, and just enjoy the water and go from there. Knock or a nibble or nothing. So I think I'm ready to call it quits.